Hi friends, welcome to Sudhit's YouTube channel. Yeah, I am sitting inside the new Ignis car we bought 3 weeks before. So today I am going to review about the same. This is the front look of Ignis. Looks impressive, right? In general, Ignis comes with 4 variants. Sigma being the base model and Alpha being the top model, and Delta and Zeta are the middle variants. So this is particularly Zeta model. If you see here, there are two dedicated very big headlights. I say very big because if we compare the headlights of Swift, Baleno with Ignis, it is comparatively bigger than those two cars. So here you see the headlight, and this is the indicator, and in the middle you see the beautiful Suzuki logo, and good V-shaped design is there, and downside we have the number plate. As you see, it's Kerala registration vehicle, and RTO is Kasargod, so KL14 is there with AA series. Also we have the dedicated fog lamp, which is of halogen beam. Same for headlight as well. I am not technically good at automobile engines, so I am not showing you the bonnet and its inside parts. So I am, to be frank, I am not good in those areas, so I will skip that. This is how it looks from the back side. If you ask me, I would say the back side design is not good. It looks kind of weird. So if you go near, we see the Suzuki logo here as well, and we have the Nexa written here, and a backside wiper, and the name Ignis, and there are two dedicated lights. And one thing special here is a camera, which we told the dealers to fit here. So whenever we put a reverse gear, we see the screen in the Android display, and no need to see using the mirror. Okay, let's back to the technical specifications. As I said earlier, the model is Maruti Suzuki Ignis, and X showroom price starts from 6,12,000 and ends with 6,62,000, and fuel economy is 21 kilometer per liter combined, and the engine is it's 4-cylinder petrol engine with 1.2 liter, and cargo volume is 260 liter, and dimensions, if we consider the height, it is 1595 millimeter, and if we consider the length, it is 3700 millimeter, and the width, it is 1690 millimeter, and we have the good ground clearance as well. So I will just show you. Yeah, in Ignis Zeta variant we have the smart key, so I am showing you. Here also we have the Suzuki logo at the front, and if we turn to back side, we have the lock and unlock button, using which we can open or close the car doors. So this is the inside look. First we will see the steering wheel, how it looks like. So if you see the center here, you can see the Suzuki logo, and here there are some controls which we are mainly using for the Android auto display, that's over here, and we can control the radio, music, and other stuffs here. So now by default radio is turned on, so if I press here, so it will change the frequency, and we can see the different radio channels here. So now it's Red FM, so I can change to other Yeah. So now it is in 101.5 megahertz. And also we can mute the song or radio using this button. So this by default comes with the power steering system, and we can adjust the steering position as well. And you can see the speedometer here. So maximum speed is 200 km per hour, and you can see the RPM design and notifications about seat belt. And also on the right side you can see the fuel consumption and driving range. So basically now for the current fuel what we have filled, it can we can drive up to 113 kilometer. And we can see additional details after we click info button. See, now we can see the average speed and other details here, driving time. Coming to Android display, so using this display we can see the time and date here. On the top we can see the time. Now it's 10:20 a.m. and also we can see the date. Today is Sunday, 7th November 2021. And we have the functionality to connect our mobile device here. Using connect button we can connect it, and we need to install the application called Android Auto in our cell phone. So using that we can connect, and we can play the songs from the mobile phone here, and we can also receive the call in using this display, also using the phone option. There are two ways to connect. One is using USB, and other way of communication is through Bluetooth. So this is the USB port here, so we can plug the USB here. This is for multi-pin charging. Basically Ignis supports both automatic and manual gear system. So we personally liked manual system, so we this is the manual gear system, which supports till 5th gear and reverse. Basically the gear is very smooth, so easy to handle as well. Using fingers we can move it. And since it's a corona time, we have placed a sanitizer here, just to wash our hands. And also we can place two different bottles here, and here we can place our phones. And if I open this, it is somewhat spacious, and we can keep our documents like driving license, RC, or whatever the documents required for vehicle when we buy it. And now we will look at the door. Here we have power windows, and the driver can control all the four window glasses using these four buttons, and individuals can also do it. And this is a lock unlock button here, and using this button we can control the mirror. Here we have the AC control, and using this regulator kind of thing we can adjust the AC fan speed, and also we can adjust this for the smooth airflow. Since we are using the smart key feature, to start the car or to turn on the ignition, we have to press this button. Yes, the car is started. Yeah, now it is the back seat. So the seating system is foldable here, So the left seat is 60% and right seat is 40%, and both are foldable seats. And also here we see the mats. And here also we have the space to put some big water bottles. And front seat we have the zip here, and we can place some important documents here as well. On the other hand, left side we have the one more place where we can keep additional documents. And we see the power window here. We can adjust the glass on both the sides. And this is the handlebar using which we can open the car door, and we can lock and unlock here. And two important points which we have to tell, those are like mileage and on-road price. When it comes to mileage, it gives approximately 20 km per liter, and if we talk about the on-road price, so after including everything, the price will be 7,34,000. I will be back with one more video to explain more on Android display and other stuffs, and will also show you the test drive. Until then, stay safe, have a nice day, bye bye.